Hey everybody, TheSlotCats. We're here at Lightning Link, and this is the Sahara Gold. And we're going to be playing 10-cent denomination. We're going to be doing $2.50 a spin, and wish us luck.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Oh, come on. There's 6 of those. There we go. Come on, get it, get
Come on.
it, get it.
Oh, one short.
Match. Woohoo.
Nice.
Look at all the kings, 5 kings.
Yeah. It was funny in the previous spin. I said, "Oh, one short." You said one more. So.
Oh.
Okay, let's see what we get.
$37.50.
All
Here
right.
we go.
Let's do that again.
Yeah, let's do that again. Come on, bonus.
Come on, bonus.
Oh, there we go.
We love wilds.
Yeah, we do.
Kings and the ladies.
Oh, $7.
Come
oh,
on.
Match. Oh, we had the
Minis,
mini. That was
$100.
$100.
Yeah.
Here we go. Points. Match. Bonus.
Nothing.
Match.
Come on, Matchy.
Points.
3 more.
God, almost. Come on, bonus.
3 more.
Match. Oh, we needed 3 more. Match. Come on. Let's get those coins. Come on, coins. Match.
I didn't even see how much we were starting with. Was it 180?
170.
170. Okay.
Bonus. There we go.
Cat. Slot cats rule. We got 4 of them. I didn't even see the 4th one.
$37.50.
Nice start. Me wow. Yes. Thank you. Thank you, Lightning
Ready?
Link. Yes.
So now we have to pick
Oh,
left
the
or
choice.
right.
I'm terrible at picking these.
Left or right.
I want to pick left, so I'm saying right.
You want to do this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Right. Hold and spin. Oh, 90. That's all right.
Yeah. We can get the other bonus within the bonus.
Yeah. Come on, let's get the wilds. Come on, wilds.
Come on.
Wilds. Oh, come on, line up.
Line up.
Oh.
Are you kidding me?
With 6 spins.
This hurts.
Yeah. Oh, we got the scorpions. So we got 3 more spins. Come on, line it up. Oh, sorry, I didn't notice that. Come on, wild.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
This is probably one of the worst bonuses we've ever had on Sahara Gold.
We started with $37.50 and we won $2.10.
Well, you know what? Maybe we're going to get back to back here.
Bonuses. There we go. Back to back.
Oh, I was open.
Yeah. Come on, get it. Oh. Match.
Well, we're going to play more now. Instead of getting a big bonus and a backup, we're going to chase this. That would have been sweet. Come on, Matchy. There we go.
There you go, the girls.
5 of a kind on the girls. Now I think I turned it up too much. That's a little bit better.
$12.
Kings. We're still up.
Match. Oh,
It's
one
right
more.
up there. Okay, you know your husband's a little crazy.
Okay.
I say we bump up
Oh.
the bet.
What do you want to kind of put it up to?
Let's go to
Okay.
5.
All right. Well, I wish I would have done that on that spin. I'm just kidding. Ready?
We're going to do a few at $5 here and see how it turns
Here we
out.
go.
Come on, don't make me look bad. It's Sahara Gold.
Come on, bonus. Oh, there we go. Oh, almost.
Excuse me.
Come on, bonus. Oh,
No,
come on.
man.
Drop those coins in there.
Maybe a few more like this.
Match. There we go.
Scorpions. This is Claw's Mine of the Scorpions, and we're going to rock you like a hurricane.
You're so funny. $7.
Sorry, I'm dating myself.
Oh, there we go. There we go. Three of a kind, all the way across. 25 lines. Nice one, Penny.
Nice.
$25.
There we go.
There we go.
Back over 200.
Come on, now
Now
we need the
we
bonus.
just need the coins. Yes. Bonus, bonus, bonus.
Bonus, 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 bonus. Come on, bonuses.
What do you think? Do you think we should bump it back down, or are you still feeling?
Let's do 2 more spins and
Okay.
then we'll switch it. Come on. One more.
Oh!
Oh, come on, coins.
Many would have been $100.
Yeah. All right, let's do this.
Go back to 250.
Coins, coins, coins.
Ah.
Bonus, bonus, bonus.
Come on, bonus. You gypped this last time. Come on.
Yeah.
We want to redo.
Oh my goodness. Come on, machine. Go cold. Bonus, bonus, bonus. Ah,
Darn it.
bonus.
That major looks pretty good. $600 too.
We keep getting a lot of word coins, but we can't get 6. We need
Let's get
6.
6. Or 3 of those.
Coin, coin. Coin,
Oh,
coin,
yes.
coin, coin. There we go.
Slot cats rule.
All right,
That's
let's
nice.
get the major, the minor, and the
Thank you,
minor.
Lightning Link. Yes, let's get it all.
Ready?
Yes.
Here we go. Come
Spread.
on, coins.
Press the start feature button.
Coins.
Fill it in.
Coin, coin, coin. Fill it in, fill it in. Coin, coin. There we
$25.
go. Come on, coin. Coin, coin, coin.
Come on, fill in.
Coin. Yes.
Another 25, and that resets us back to 3 free spins.
Yes. Come on, coin. Coin, coin.
Come on.
Coin, coin. Yes.
Nice.
All right. Let's do it.
So, yeah. Fill it up.
Coin. Coin.
Oh,
Yes.
4 more to go.
Come on, coins. Oh, I saw the major go by. Right there. The major was right there.
All right. Well, $37.50 on that last one.
Yes. Come on,
Well,
coins.
let's get the major and the minor. Minor's
Yes.
500 too.
Come on, coins.
Come.
Come on, coins. Coin,
Nice.
coin.
Resets to 3.
Yeah.
2 spots remaining.
Come on, coin.
Oh,
my
look at
gosh.
this. We have 14 collected, 15, and we win that grand jackpot of
Come on, ready?
$11,000.
Are you ready?
Do it.
Here we go.
Born ready.
Come on, get it, get it. Coin. Oh. come on.
My heart is about ready to skip here.
Come on, coin.
Do it. Come on.
Come on, coin. At least make an appearance.
Yes, let's do
Let us
it.
think
Come
that
on.
you're coming out. Come on.
Ah!
That's
With
all
a
right.
great
Let's
shot,
not
though.
lose that. It's a good bonus.
Yeah, this is a nice bonus indeed. Let's just add it up. Nice. $62.50 with the coin show. All right, that was good. That was
a really
good.
good bonus. Thank you so much.
Yes.
All right.
Very
Ready?
grateful. Yes.
All right.
Puts us over $300.
That's right.
Well, let's do one backup spin.
One
And
or two?
yeah,
One
we'll
for
see.
You, one for me.
Sounds
Ready?
good.
All right.
Well, that's a hit.
Yep.
One more.
Yep.
Oh, One more.
Here we go.
Okay, cashing out. Yeah, $294.60. That's Lightning in Sahara Gold.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah, we thank you very much for watching, and follow us on social media. And if you haven't, please subscribe to our channel. That's right. Yeah, for now.